original name of the team is Garage Boys, but this year we do something different. We go with Duck Mechanics. How is mechanics too, and we have a garage now. So that's why we say we go make up a little more nicer name which is Duck Mechanics.
So what brought you out here to Duck in, Duck out?
Well, I think, this is the second year. We was here last year. And the little vibes are why you can bring your family, your children, and you can have a nice vibe.
So what are we cooking on there?
You call that a gizmo, right? But originally, this transmission here, right, really designed in the garage, from lime in the garage, from the garage I think. All the partners used to come across on a Friday evening. We go play cards, we go bubble up, and we end up say, boy, let me build something kind of different from everybody. So we end up taking our transmission, and this is the end results we get, right? But we launched this here last year, right? But originally, so our next one supposed to come, but due to the difficulties, we could not bring it now, but the vehicle ended up shutting down. And based this on like how vehicles is. You see how it had carbureted vehicles, and we went into fuel injected, and we went into electronics, right? So this transmission here, I call it the first generation, which it started with fire, right? This is the second generation, which is gas. The third one also be electronic, but it couldn't come. That's the one I wanted to launch this year in Carapichaima.
Yeah, man. So, we have a little behind the scene access to the judges gringo. Where tell the judges?
Well, I just here for the good fun, the vibes, because we was here last year and the judging to me was fair. I find the judging was fair because people say, well, my duck was better, that one was better. It's not about that too. It's about the vibes. Not everybody duck will be good. You understand? Every team have a different taste and different texture to the duck.
It's hot, the competition is heated, and we look forward to the results right here on Mike on the Mic.
Cause we outside from long time, yeah. Now